Hey guys, welcome back to the Tech Insider video. Today we'll be reviewing the ASUS ZenBook 17 Fold OLED. Key specs: Windows 11 performance Core i7, 12th generation 1.1 GHz and 16 GB LPDDR5 RAM, and design 17.3 inches, 43.94 centimeters, 2516 to 1920 pixels, 1.7 kg and 11.7 millimeter thick, 2-in-1 touch screen, and storage 1 TB SSD, and battery live LON, full cell, and 9.5 hours. Wi-Fi slim 11.7 millimeter, Bluetooth, 2 USB ports, and web camera. Now let's go to the general info.
So when we go to the general information, brand is ASUS, model 17 Fold OLED UX 9702, dimension 378.5 into 287.6 into 11.777 millimeters, weight is 1.7 kilograms, and then we get colors of black, and the operating system is Windows 11 Professional Pro, we can say, and operating system type is 64 GB. Next, let's go to display details. So, display size is 17.3 inches, 43.94 centimeters. Display resolution 2560 into 1920 pixels, and pixel density 185 ppi. Display type is OLED, and display features are four LED, 4:3 aspect ratio, 0.2 ms response time, 500 nits peak brightness, 100% DCI P3 color gamut, 1 million is to 1 VESA certified display, HDR true black, 500 1.07 billion colors, Pantone validated, glossy display, 70% of less harmful blue light, and touchscreen is yes, and the screen to body ratio is 87 1/4. Display touchscreen is yes, and refresh rate is 60 Hz. Let's go with performance and memory and storage.
Performance processor Intel Core i7 125 OU 12th generation, clock speed 1.1 GHz, graphic processor Intel Iris XC, memory capacity 16 GB, RAM type LPDDR5, RAM speed 5200 mHz, memory slots 1, memory layout 1, 16 gigabytes, and storage SSD capacity 1 TB.
The battery cell is full cell, battery type is Leon, and then power supply 65 watt, and battery life is 9.5 hours. Networking wireless LAN 892.11 A by B by G by N by AC by AX, Bluetooth yes, version 5.2, and then ports are USB 3.0, slots 2, headphone jack yes, microphone jack yes. And let's go to the multimedia. So it is webcam is yes, webcam resolution 5 MB, video recording is 720p pixels. Then speakers are built-in speakers, inbuilt microphone yes, microphone type is built-in microphone. Let's go to the peripherals and others of this laptop.
Peripherals, keyboard, soft keyboard, 1.4 millimeter key travel, others warranty 1 year. Sales package, laptop power adapter, user guide, and warranty document. This is the end of the review.
Thanks for watching this video. My name is Johns.
My name is Nathaniel, Tech Insider. Bye.
Bye.